Today we're replacing a PCV valve on a 2010 Dodge Caravan if you want, or Chrysler Town & Country 4.0. And here's that wonderful engine right here. And the PCV valve is situated right back here behind the engine. Sorry for the shakiness. But you basically pop this tube off that has the aluminum shielding. Pop. And then you can pop it off here. It just kind of lifts off. And there is the PCV valve right there. You see that little thing? Sometimes they are loose enough, like mine, where you can just unscrew it. And as preventative maintenance, it's still rattling. This one is a lot looser, so I'm gonna replace that and pop that tube right back on, and we're good to go. And that's how you replace a PCV valve. Really, hand tightening this is a-okay. You could fit a 24mm deep socket over the top of that, and that would fix everything also. So you have a great day.